Do you have one of those sheets that you need to check every day and you want to link everywhere you operate to that sheet? So, meaning like you want it in your inbox, you want it on your Google Calendar, you want it on Google Tasks, just a bunch of reminders be like, hey, did you check this sheet? Did you check this sheet? Did you check this sheet? And all the reminders in the world, we want all of them. So, let's do that in this video. We're going to go up to extensions app script. We're going to open our app script and we're going to write a few functions. Let's first create a daily email. We want to get our email address so we don't have to put in our email address ourselves. We're going to get the active spreadsheet, get owner, that's me, get email, that's me. Subject is check this sheet. The sheet we're checking is spreadsheet app.getActive spreadsheet get URL. And our body is going to be pretty simple. Go see the sheet plus URL. How are we going to send it? Well, we can send it one of two ways, Mail app or Gmail app. Now, I like to use Mail app if I'm sending to myself because it's fairly simple. We just need who it's to, we need the subject, and the body. And that's it. Those three things, right? Email, subject, and body. And we can test this out. We can save it, and we can hit run. It'll ask us to authorize, and here's what the email looks like. Pretty simple. Subject, check this sheet, go see the sheet, and there's the URL of the sheet we're on. That's cool. So let's create a function that adds a Google Calendar. And again, this is going to be fairly simple. We're going to do calendar app dot get default calendar, create all day event, and the event is going to be the title of an event. We need the date, and we need a description colon description, where we're going to need the URL. And so our const title equals check this sheet. Our date is going to be today, because every day this is going to create an event for that day, equals new date. That's just today. And our description, I think I missed an I right there. There we go. Equals check this sheet and plus URL. We saved, select create cal invite, and let's just test it, run, see if we get any errors. And today we got check this sheet, and here's the URL of the sheet we're on. Perfect. So every day we are sending ourselves an email, we're creating a calendar invite. Let's do one more thing, which is function create Google task. And this is fun because in order to use this, we need to add a service. Google Tasks here, click add over on the left side. And again, this is going to be fairly simple. We need tasks.tasks.insert. And let's just create one simple task title. Check me, check this sheet, comma, notes. And we will get the URL, and we'll create a description here. Notes, do today, new date. We need to have a task ID, a task list ID here. Let's just get the very first task list that is there. Tasks.list, items, and 0 in curly brackets is the very first one. Let's see which one that is. Let's save this all, and let's create Google Task. Again, we'll have to authorize when we run it for the very first time. Oh, I think we need to add .id here for the actual ID of the item task list. Let's save it. Let's run it again. Looks like we have an error here because we need task list items, the very first ID of the first one. So let's try that now. Create Google Task or run. Actually, it's going to be task.tasklist.list.items. Let's run it. Let's just create a new task list. Const task list tasks.tasklist.list.items const daily equals, and if no daily, then we'll insert a new one, tasks.tasklist.insert const daily id equals daily.id tasks.tasklist.list And we'll use this at the end, daily.id, else equals daily.id. And then we'll use daily ID here. So if it doesn't exist, we'll create one, and there we go. Then we need to change this to ISO string. There, now we should have a new task in daily. There it is, check the sheet. So there you go. We now have 3 things, an email, a calendar invite, and a Google task that we all want to execute every single day. So let's create a mega function daily notice. And each one of these will create something. So we want daily email, we want create cal invite, and we're just going to call these functions one after another, create Google task. And now, over on the left side, we're going to go to triggers. On the bottom right, once it shows up, add trigger. Which function to run? We'll run the mega one, daily notice, that runs all of them. We'll change select event source to time driven. Here, we will change it to day timer. We will run it every single day at 7 a.m. Click save. Go back to our editor because I want to do one more thing. Just in case we do not want to run all of these every day. Maybe we only want to do it every weekday. So we're going to get a const day is equal to new date dot get day. Now what this is going to do is going to show us a number. 0 is Sunday, 6 is Saturday. So if day is equal to 0, or with 2 pipes, day is equal to 6, return, meaning skip all of this. Done. So today is Thursday, daily notice, and we can even say logger.log day just to see if it worked. We can also check our email, and we have another task here. Let's check those off. Now we're getting a bunch of awesome notices, and we're only going to get it on weekdays. Or maybe you only want to get it on Mondays, Wednesdays, Fridays. We can set this to a different set of days to not execute these. Pretty cool. I hope you enjoyed this. If you are looking for this exact app script to copy, down below in this YouTube video, I have put a link to the sheet. You can go and get it absolutely free. No need to sign up. No need to get anything. Just go grab this app script. There you go. You're watching Better Sheets here on YouTube. Make sure you check out this video or this video and subscribe right now to get more tips, tricks, how-tos, get more out of your Google Sheets than you ever have before. I'm excited to be making a ton more videos here. Ask me questions down in the comments and I will answer them in future videos. But for right now, right here, one of these videos is going to be your next Google Sheet.